I am currently waiting for my flight, for the gate to open, and I've still got like another, I don't know, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Flight's at 2:30. It's only 12:20. So I'm chilling at the airport. It's the second solo trip for me, and this is gonna be interesting. I don't know why I'm actually nervous, but yeah, nerves will be gone once I reach, and I'll be very, very happy. And cannot wait to get there. I cannot wait to meet everyone, and I cannot wait to hang out with people and explore Melbourne this time around. So you're gonna see a lot of that, I hope.
So here I stare at an empty bottle full of confidence, fuzzy faded with the poison in my hand. It's an empty glass philosophy. I can't help it. I can't stop.
That's Splash. That's Cat. Look, in the camera. That's Sashi. She's hiding behind the thing.
That's a deleted video file in the future.
Seeing it now on a permanent vacation. We're young, we're dumb, and we don't care. No, and I don't owe an explanation. We're young, we're dumb, and we don't care. Forever's knocking on you. Forever's knocking on you.
Hey guys, so I am in the Sea Life Aquarium right now in Melbourne, and I'd just like to say that people are complaining about our aquarium in Singapore, our sea aquarium. The Sea Life Aquarium is just as bad. I wouldn't say just as bad, but I think it's a little bit worse, or slightly not. Well, all I can say is that we are better, to be honest. There's a lot more directional signage. I am not confused as to where I want to go, and it is, I don't know, there are maps all around for us at Sea Aquarium, but in Sea Life I haven't seen a single map stand. So I am heading down towards the shark display, little shark aquarium, shark habitat, and let's see how this goes. There's a lot of kids today, so yeah.
Filthy as charged, you're a sweet talker. But darling, what you gonna say now? The midnight marauders, how you never come down. You can't take me anywhere. You can't take me anywhere. I'm still uninvited, I'm still gonna light it. I'm going insane and I don't care. Whatever they tell you.
So the one thing that they have that we probably don't have is that reptile area. Should probably go back up and figure out how to go back up and do it. But and this penguin thing, which is, I guess, is pretty cool. But still, it's really bare. It's kind of like our dolphin encounter, or dolphin island exhibit, where it's just rocks and water, and it's really cool. I can feel my butt very cold. It's because as I'm sitting here. But yeah, they're very active, and watching them, it's pretty cool. Good morning. It's great viewing. So this is great. I am great, and everyone else is downstairs ready, I think. I don't know, but I'm ready, and I'm ready to take on the world. I'm gonna go to Woolies, and Woolies is Woolworths, by the way. Catching on with that Australian slang, and we're heading out. I'm eating Sash today. It's great. And yeah, last night was hell of a good fun. No footage though, because God, I wish there was though. But yeah, day 2. Let's get it.
Can count the years on one hand that we've been together. I need the other one to hold you, make you feel
Nigeria,
right now.
Nigeria,
Oh,
Nigeria.
Stop it. So hi, we're at PAX and
Nigeria.
it's day 2. It's
Nigeria.
Saturday. Stop it. It's Saturday
Like and
and it's
subscribe.
gonna be so much fun. I've got some and I'm wearing a TSM jersey and I don't even know if you can hear me, but it's pretty fucking awesome here. So I don't know. We're gonna see what's gonna happen today. And we're watching some PUBG. So yay!
We're looking at the action right now, very early in the game, phase 1, 25 seconds left before we move
And
on.
baby, even on the worst nights, I'm into you, I'm into you. Let 'em wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you. Recount the night that I first met your mother, and on the drive back to my house, I told you that I loved you. You felt the weight of the world fall off your shoulder, and to your favorite song we sang along to.
Landed. It is 7:26 p.m. in Singapore, and I am looking forward to local food because I'm fucking hungry and I miss local food. I have accustomed to just doing this in public because I can't be fucked, and I guess that's the end of my trip for the year. No more trips.
I'm still into you.
Gamers, bro.